Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share a community from the X app but weren't sure how to grab its link, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to copy a community link so you can easily share it with others. Don't worry, it's quick, easy, and takes just a few seconds. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything runs smoothly. Once the app loads, head straight to the community you want to share. This could be a group you're part of, one you're browsing through, or even one you've just discovered and think others would enjoy. When you're inside that community, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see several icons there, and one of them is the Share button. It usually looks like an arrow pointing outward. Go ahead and tap on that. After tapping Share, a menu will appear with different options for posting or sending the community to others. But what we're looking for here is the Copy Link option. Tap on that, and just like that, the link to the community will be copied to your device's clipboard. Now that the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you'd like. Drop it into a message. Share it on another platform. Add it to your notes for later reference. The choice is yours. This little shortcut makes it much easier to point people directly to specific communities on X without hassle. To quickly recap, open the X app. Go to the community you want. Tap the Share icon at the top, and then choose Copy Link. That's it. A few taps, and you're ready to share. Sharing links to communities is one of the best ways to connect people with spaces they might find interesting or helpful. Whether you're networking, inviting friends, or spreading the word about a valuable group, having that direct community link can save time and make sharing effortless. So the next time you come across a community you love, remember these simple steps and pass it along. It's a small action with a big impact. Thanks for tuning in.